Hello guys, so we're back again to make a massive force and a massive pullout today guys. So as you can see, for you to start, all you need to do is to create a faucet account. To create a faucet account is actually easy. All you need to do is to follow the processes that I'm going to mention here guys. So first of all you need to do is to go to Google and type faucet pay. Simply click on the link there. It's going to take you on a page that looks like this. Register with your email, which is actually simple and confirm. This faucet pay is actually like other wallet, and it's the easiest wallet for you to mine USDT Bitcoin into before you transfer it to your Trust wallet, to your Binance, or any withdrawal pages that you have. So when that is done, all you need to do again, the second process you need to do again, is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now guys. That is the thing that you need to do for me guys. Now secondary is for you to go ahead and join our Telegram community. As you can see guys, we have been making a massive withdrawal and a massive signal, and a lot of things are happening on this Telegram group, so I won't let you guys to miss out. The link to this Telegram group will be actually in my description, so you can go ahead and join right now, right away. Link to this site also will be on my Telegram group, so go ahead and join and start mining guys. So I'm going to go ahead and input the address that I used to create my faucet. Like I said, I told you guys that you're going to use your address to create a faucet pay, so I'm going to directly use the address. As you can see, the site's description, which says that you must have a faucet account with the same email used in your account on our website to receive payment. If you don't have an account yet, click here to a new account before requiring payment. So if you have any problem going to Google, you can go ahead and click right here for you to create a faucet account. So let's go ahead and start going on. So I'm going to go ahead and input my faucet email. So when that is done, I'm going to go straight and start mining guys. There is no two processes that is involved in this. As you can see, I have mined up to 0.0002039, still counting, and a lot are going to be still entering into my faucet account guys. As you can see, the total horsepower here is about 35 horsepower, and our withdrawal is actually easy. As you can see, my deposit history and my withdrawal history. So guys, let's simply go on how to withdraw. As you can see, if I'm going to place my withdrawal, it's actually easy. All I need to do is to click here on withdraw and allow it to load guys. So when that is done, you're going to receive some token into your faucet pay account, and when you want to deposit, it's actually easy. All you need to do is to click here, and you're going to deposit more token to your horsepower. You can deposit both the lite, the tron, the BTC, the Doge, the Ethereum, etc. So guys, like I said, that once you are connected to your faucet pay account, it's actually easy to make your withdrawal, because all your withdrawal will be going through your faucet pay account. So go ahead and share the description, share the referral link to get more tokens here guys. So don't forget to go ahead, like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on that notification bell, and stay alert whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to join our family for more updates guys.